Chapter 8 of Atomic Habits is called How to Make a Habit Irresistible. It explains how to make good habits more fun and appealing so you actually want to do them. Simple explanation. 1. Make good habits fun. If you want to stick to a good habit, try to make it something you enjoy. For example, if you want to exercise more, you could listen to your favorite music or podcast while you do it. This makes the habit feel like less of a chore and more like fun. 2. The dopamine effect. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good when you do something you enjoy. You can make a habit irresistible by linking it to something that gives you a little burst of happiness. For example, rewarding yourself with a favorite snack after studying can make you more excited to study. 3. Temptation bundling. This is a trick where you combine something you want to do with something you need to do. For example, if you like watching TV but need to clean your room, you can tell yourself that you'll only watch TV while cleaning. This way, you'll be excited to clean because it comes with a fun reward. 4. Create a craving. To make a habit stick, your brain has to crave the reward that comes after it. If you can find a way to make the habit fun or give yourself a treat afterward, you'll start to crave doing it more often. 5. Design your habits for happiness. When you're trying to build a habit, think of ways to make it enjoyable or rewarding. For example, if you want to get better at drawing, you could set up a nice, cozy place to draw or treat yourself to new art supplies when you practice regularly. James Clear shares how companies like Netflix or Instagram keep people hooked by giving them small bursts of pleasure, like seeing a new episode or getting likes. You can use the same idea to make good habits more exciting and rewarding. Hash how this helps us. To build a good habit, make it fun. Find ways to add enjoyment, like listening to music while you do chores or giving yourself a little reward afterward. Use temptation bundling by pairing something fun with something you need to do. This makes even boring tasks more enjoyable. In short, Chapter 8 teaches us that to make a habit irresistible, you need to make it fun or rewarding. The more you enjoy it, the easier it is to stick to.